Hello everyone. Um, Today I'm going to show you a real-life example of physics in action, turning effect of forces, or we call it moment of force. Do you know that when we do our exercise, example push-up, we are actually applying this concept into the exercise? Don't believe it? Let me show you. So, when you do your push-up, you position yourself in this. Alright, so where is the pivot according to the principle of moment? Is at your toe touching the ground. So you do this, and what are the two forces in action? The weight acting through the center of gravity and the force you apply on your arms. So there's also a perpendicular distance from the arms to the pivot and a perpendicular distance from the weight to the pivot. So when you do your push-up like this, you are actually exerting most of your force here. It's more tiring to pull yourself up. Why? Because the direction of the force you exert is opposite to your weight. So you are actually overcoming your weight in doing so. In order to lift yourself up, the force applied multiplied by the perpendicular distance to the pivot, which is your toe, has to be greater than the moment of force exerted from the center of gravity, which is where your weight is acting vertically downward, and the perpendicular distance, which is the product of the weight and the perpendicular distance to the pivot. Like this. So if you are heavier, it will be more difficult for you because you need to exert more force to generate a greater moment to overcome the moment generated from the weight exerted through the center of gravity. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoy yourself. So when you do your push-up, remember, physics is in action. Thank you.